Want to build websites? HTML is where you start. In this very first lesson, we'll set up everything you need and create your very first web page in just a few minutes. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Think of it as the structure or skeleton of every website. It uses tags and elements to describe the content. Things like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. In this series, we'll start with the basics and step-by-step build up to creating a simple multi-page site. To follow along, you'll need three things. A code editor. I recommend Visual Studio Code, but you can use any editor. A web browser, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge all work. A folder on your computer where we'll store our project files. If you're using VS Code, I also suggest installing the Live Server extension so you can preview changes instantly in the browser. Let's download and install Visual Studio Code. I will be using Chrome. Search for code.visualstudio.com. The link is in the description. Now click on Download for Windows and wait for some few minutes, depending on your internet speed. I have already downloaded it, so I will stop the download. After downloading, open the downloaded file to setup or for installing Visual Studio Code on your PC. Do exactly what I am doing. Visual Studio will be opened. You have to open a folder. Click on Open Folder and let open any folder to store our files. I will just create a new folder and select it. Now let's create our very first HTML file. Inside the folder, make a new file and name it index.html. Every website's homepage is usually called index.html. Type this code exactly as I do. You can type the exclamation mark and click on the tab key, and if it doesn't work, just type everything. Every HTML file has this syntax as default. Without this foundation, it won't work. For now, the things we can change are the title and the body tag. In the body tag, we'll add an H1 tag. H1 tag is a heading. It ends at H6. The lower the number, the bigger the text. We will also add the p tag, which is a paragraph. Now save by clicking on Ctrl+S. You'll need to install an extension called Live Server. I have already installed it. Right-click on the screen and select Open with Live Server. You can now see the heading, My First HTML Page, and the paragraph, Hello World. The title of this page is Document. We can change it to better describe our web page. In the head tag of our HTML file, we'll see a title tag. Let's change the title to First Page and save. Congratulations, you've just built your first web page. Let's recap. You learned what HTML is, the basic tools, code editor, browser, and a project folder, and also how to create your very first HTML page with the required boilerplate. Homework: create your own index.html. Change the tag to display your name, like John's first page. Then open it in your browser and see the difference in the tab title. In the next lesson, we'll break down HTML elements, tags, and attributes so you fully understand the building blocks of your page. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your homework file title. See you in lesson 2.